Space, the final frontier, a realm of beauty, wonder, and terror. We dream of reaching for the stars, but space holds a dark secret, a chilling limitation that haunts every astronaut, every engineer, every dreamer. It's not the aliens, nor the black holes, nor even the immense distances. The scariest limitation in space is, well, space itself. Look up at the night sky. It seems infinite, right? The stars twinkle like distant beacons, each one a sun, perhaps with its own planets and moons. The vastness above us is a reminder of how small we are in the grand scheme of things. It's a humbling experience to gaze up and realize that what we see is just a tiny fraction of the universe. Now imagine being enveloped by it, swallowed by its immensity, floating in the void with no ground beneath your feet, no horizon to guide you. The silence is deafening, the darkness all-consuming. It's a place where time seems to stand still, where the concept of day and night loses all meaning. Space is vast, unforgivingly so. It's a realm where distances are measured in light years, where the nearest star is still an unfathomable journey away. The sheer scale of it is beyond human comprehension. It's a place where the laws of physics reign supreme, where the slightest miscalculation can mean the difference between life and death. It's a black ocean with no bottom, no shores to cling to, an endless expanse of nothingness, where the only landmarks are the distant stars and galaxies. It's a place that can make even the bravest of souls feel small and insignificant, yet it's also a place of incredible beauty, where the wonders of the universe are on full display. Our galaxy alone, the Milky Way, is 100,000 light-years across. It's a vast collection of stars, planets, and other celestial bodies, all bound together by gravity. Within its spiral arms lie countless wonders, from nebulae to star clusters, each one a testament to the incredible forces at work in the universe. Even traveling at the speed of light, a feat we've yet to achieve, it would take 100,000 years to cross this single galaxy. The speed of light is the ultimate speed limit, a barrier that we may never be able to break. Yet, even at this incredible speed, the distances involved are mind-boggling. The universe? Far larger and expanding still. It's a place of infinite possibilities where new galaxies are being born and old ones are dying. It's a dynamic, ever-changing landscape where the only constant is change itself. The more we learn about the universe, the more we realize how much we still don't know. This vastness is not just a matter of distance, it's a matter of isolation, a chilling reminder of our insignificant place in the cosmos. It's a place where the human spirit is tested, where the boundaries of our knowledge and technology are pushed to their limits. Yet it's also a place of hope, where the potential for discovery is limitless. In the face of such overwhelming vastness, we are reminded of the incredible journey that lies ahead of us, and the endless possibilities that await. On Earth, we take breathing for granted. In space, it's a luxury, a constant worry. Space is a suffocating vacuum. No air, no pressure. Step outside your spacecraft without a suit, and your blood would boil, your lungs would rupture. Even with our advanced technology, providing breathable air in space is a constant challenge, a delicate dance between life support systems and dwindling supplies. Each breath reminds us that we are visitors in a realm that never intended to host us. We think of Earth's deserts as harsh, but space laughs at our definition of extreme. In direct sunlight, temperatures can soar to 250 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to bake a cake inside your spaceship. Yet step into the shadows and the mercury plummets to minus 250 degrees Fahrenheit, cold enough to instantly freeze you solid. This constant, drastic temperature swing is a technological nightmare. Our spacecraft and suits must be meticulously designed to withstand these extremes, to act as our fragile bubbles of Earth-like comfort in this chaotic thermal environment. Chapter 4. The Universe of Solitude. Humans are social creatures. From the moment we are born, we seek the warmth and comfort of another human being. Our lives are intertwined with those around us, and our sense of self is often defined by our relationships. We thrive on the energy of others, drawing strength from shared experiences and collective memories. We crave connection, interaction, a shared laugh, or a comforting touch. These moments of camaraderie are what make us feel alive, grounded, and understood. In the confines of the International Space Station, astronauts try to recreate these moments, sharing meals, stories, and laughter. They form bonds that are crucial for their mental well-being, knowing that they must rely on each other in this isolated environment. In space, you are utterly alone. Despite the presence of your fellow astronauts, there are moments when the solitude is overwhelming. Floating in the vast emptiness, you are acutely aware of the infinite distance between you and the rest of humanity. The silence of space can be deafening, a stark contrast to the bustling life on Earth. Sure, you might have your fellow astronauts, but the vastness outside your metal shell is a constant reminder of your isolation. The stars, though beautiful, are cold and distant. The black void of space stretches endlessly, making you feel like a tiny speck in the grand scheme of the universe. This perspective can be both humbling and terrifying. The Earth, a distant blue marble, only emphasizes this feeling. From space, our planet looks fragile and small, a reminder of how isolated you truly are. The sight of Earth can evoke a deep sense of longing and homesickness, a yearning to return to the familiar comforts of home. Communication with loved ones is delayed, sometimes impossible. The time lag in conversations can be frustrating, making it difficult to maintain a sense of connection with those back home. This delay can make you feel even more isolated, as if you are living in a different time zone, disconnected from the rhythm of life on Earth. This isolation can play havoc on the human psyche, leading to anxiety, depression, and even hallucinations. The mental strain of being so far from home, coupled with the physical challenges of space travel, can take a toll on even the strongest individuals. Astronauts must find ways to cope with these feelings, whether through communication with their crewmates, engaging in hobbies, or seeking solace in the beauty of the cosmos. How do you maintain your sanity when the universe itself seems to be whispering, "You are insignificant"? It is a question that every astronaut must grapple with. The key lies in finding meaning and purpose in the mission, in the knowledge that their work contributes to the greater good of humanity. By focusing on the bigger picture, they can find strength and resilience in the face of overwhelming solitude. Earthly chains on cosmic dreams. We yearn to explore the cosmos, but our technology is still in its infancy. The vastness of space calls to us, igniting a deep-seated curiosity and a desire to understand the universe beyond our home planet. Yet, despite our dreams and ambitions, we are held back by the limitations of our current technological capabilities. The stars, so tantalizingly close in the night sky, remain out of reach for now. Our spacecraft, marvels of engineering though they are still limited by fuel constraints, propulsion systems, and the sheer time it takes to travel even within our solar system. The engines that power our ships are incredible feats of human ingenuity, yet they consume vast amounts of fuel, and their efficiency is far from what we need for interstellar travel. The journey to even the nearest planets is a slow and arduous process, fraught with challenges and uncertainties. A trip to Mars, our closest planetary neighbor, still takes months. The Curiosity rover, a testament to our exploratory spirit, has been traversing the Martian surface for years, sending back invaluable data. However, human missions to Mars face significant hurdles, from the long travel time to the need for sustainable life support systems. The dream of setting foot on Mars is within our grasp, yet it remains a monumental challenge that requires unprecedented levels of cooperation, innovation, and perseverance. Reaching for stars beyond our system remains a distant dream, a goal that might take generations to achieve. The distances involved are staggering, and the energy required to traverse these vast expanses is beyond our current capabilities. The idea of traveling to another star system, while captivating, is a challenge that pushes the boundaries of our imagination and technological prowess. It is a dream that inspires us to push forward, to innovate, and to never stop reaching for the stars. These technological limitations are not just about nuts and bolts. They represent the boundaries of human ingenuity, the constant struggle to overcome the limitations imposed by physics and the reality of our still evolving knowledge. Engineers and scientists around the world are tirelessly working to develop new technologies, to solve the complex problems that stand in our way. Each breakthrough, no matter how small, brings us one step closer to realizing our cosmic dreams. The journey is long and fraught with challenges, but it is a journey worth undertaking, for it is in our nature to explore, to discover, and to reach for the unknown. Dancing with danger in the void. The scariest limitation in space is the cumulative effect of all these factors. It's the suffocating vacuum, the extreme temperatures, the vast distances, the psychological impact of isolation, and the constraints of our technology, all intertwined in a deadly ballet. Every space mission is a gamble, A carefully calculated risk where one misstep, one equipment failure, can have catastrophic consequences. It's this constant dance with danger, this razor-thin margin for error, that makes space exploration both terrifying and exhilarating. A universe of courage. But fear should not paralyze us, instead it should motivate us. The challenges of space exploration are daunting, but they are not insurmountable. We must push the boundaries of science, develop new technologies, and nurture the indomitable human spirit that yearns to explore the unknown. It's this courage, this refusal to be confined to our pale blue dot, that will ultimately propel us to the stars. Share this message. Let it ignite the fire of curiosity and courage in others. The universe awaits, and it's up to us to answer its call.